Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and it's time for another Petit Vour unboxing. Again, I'm not sure if that's how you say that because I don't speak French. This is a French company. I say that in every one of these videos just so you guys know. I might be pronouncing it wrong. If you speak French, tell me I'm pronouncing it wrong down below and how to say it. I use like the little Google Translate thing just to like see if it would tell me Petit Vour is as close as I can get. So that's what this is. This is a monthly subscription box. It ranges from like 15 to 21, somewhere around there. I think closer to 15. Really should know that, I know, but it'll definitely be down below as always. Sorry, there's definitely something in my eye, but that's why I'm blinking weird. But the cool thing about this subscription service, it is all cruelty free, which is awesome. I know there are a bunch more that are starting to become cruelty free, or not starting to become, but like are coming out as cruelty free. I don't know how to word that without it sounding weird. Like they're making new subscription services that are cruelty free. That's how we want to say that. But I don't have any of those. This is the only one I have. So if there's any that you guys want to see me try, let me know down below. And then yeah, let's just go ahead and jump right in. You do get like 4 to 5 full size, sample size, deluxe size products. There's not really like a this is what you get in here. It's kind of in between Ipsy and BoxyCharm, but opening it up, it does say the creme de la cruelty free right there. And then this is what you get. There is a little card on top and then stuff there. So this little card is super cute this month. It's got like a face and a hand, kind of like a talk to the hand sort of thing. But inside it does have all of the products listed. So we're gonna not look at that right this second. And we're gonna pull out the first product. This is Uni or Uni, I'm not sure. It looks like Y-U-N-I, might be Y-U-R-I, I'm not sure. But this is a shower sheet. It's a large body wipe that instantly cleanses, refreshes, and deodorizes. So are you supposed to like use this in the shower? It is Uni, it's Y-U-N-I, Mindful Beauty for an Active Life. It says no time, no shower, no worries. Here, open this oversized, super soft, moist wipe to instantly cleanse and refresh every inch of your skin. I apologize to everyone who hates the word moist. Perfect for on-the-go cleansing, travel, yoga, surfing, camping, hiking, festival going, with naturally purifying neem extract, peppermint, and citrus, alcohol-free. Okay, so I think this is like a replacement for a shower, which is kind of gross, but like I can totally see it being like at camping or at the gym or something. I think it's just supposed to like freshen you up a little bit. Let's see. The shower sheet is $1. Yeah, so basically it's just like a cleansing wipe that you can use all over your body. Cool. Next thing is this guy here. This is by Fiore Minerals. It's Defined D-Lines 100% natural organic vegan eyeliner. Oh, it's an eyeliner. Color and skincare in one for an eyeliner. Now I'm intrigued. I just ripped it. Cool. Beauty shouldn't be bad. It's got no FD&C dye, gluten, GMO, soy, talc, petrochemicals, nanoparticles, parabens, or fragrance. That's cool. I don't understand how this is skincare. Let's see. This retails for $18. It says created for sensitive eyes. This antioxidant infused eyeliner is perfect for tight lining or a smoky look. So I guess it's got antioxidants in there, so it's supposed to help with like aging. Ooh, okay, mine's definitely smashed, if you can see that there. Cute. Might have melted, I guess. Doesn't roll up, so it's definitely a sharpening one, which I don't love, but oh, it's like a brown color, but it's got like a purple hint to it almost. That's pretty. Could have used it today. I went for a very like monochromatic all purple look today, so you guys have to let me know if you hate it or you love it, because I'm kind of loving it, but that's just me. Okay, next thing, let's see. This little guy, this is the Gold Faden MD Detox Hydrating Gel BHA Skin Balancing Moisturizer. Cool. So it's a little baby guy, but I do love getting moisturizers, which I say that every time I get one, but now I'm at the point where my little like square, well here, let's just show you. No, I'm not gonna show you. It's too much to show you, but it's basically like a little square full of moisturizers, and it's overflowing and they're all over my desk now. So I'm kind of on like I need to stop getting moisturizers, but I do like getting them. So this is an oil-free skin balancing moisturizer created with beta-hydroxy acid to help prevent future breakouts. And it retails for $10. Full size retails for $10, I'm assuming. Let's just try this little guy out. does come sealed. I've never heard of this brand. I've never heard of any of these brands yet. Uni, what was the other one? Fiore, I don't know any of those. Ooh, okay, so when you remove the seal, it's already kind of coming up there. It does look very oily, it's very yellow. It's one of those ones that doesn't really stop. Like I wiped it off and it's still coming out. So you definitely have to be mindful of keeping the cap on. Ew, I hate the way that smells. Feels very thick, but like in a good way. Yeah, it's pretty hydrating. You can see like this side opposed to this side, it's definitely moisturized. You can see the shine to it. So I will definitely try it. It's a little sticky, might be good under makeup. Okay, next thing in here is also by Goldfaden MD. This is the Needleless Line Smoothing Concentrate. What do you say? This retails for $19. Again, I'm assuming full size retails for that. A line smoothing, skin plumping, non-invasive serum that reduces the appearance of fine line depth. So that's cool. This little thing pops up. It looks like a pump. Is this a pump? Yeah, it's a pump. Oh. So this one again is just very serumy. This one definitely like more liquid. Ooh, okay. That's real thick. Ooh. That little pump would be like more than enough for your whole face, I feel, because I'm going clear down on my arm and I'm still having more. I don't like the way these products smell. I don't even know how to describe them. They smell like not clean, like dirty almost, and they're very tacky. Is the Pacifica Cherry Matte Mattifying Primer. This is the last product. This retails for $13. I think this is full size. It looks full size. Pacifica is a brand I've definitely heard of, and I am excited about a primer. This box we definitely got 2 makeup items in. Normally we only get 1, so I'm very excited about that. Does it have a seal? I want to see if this smells like cherries. Cherry Matte Mattifying Primer. Yeah, it definitely has a seal on it, which is good. I appreciate that. Oh my gosh, it does. Crazy, it smells like cherries. But not like in an overwhelming gross way, just like in a very subtle, it's definitely gonna dissipate way. My camera is crooked, that's cute. Better? I don't know. So, yeah, I'm loving that. It's very white. I feel like it's gonna be a hydrating one, but it also says mattifying. Yeah, primer's gonna be hard to tell, but it does feel more matte. It is a little tacky too. So, that's it. Goodness. That's everything we got this month. Quick recap. I am excited about this primer. I will definitely try it out and let you guys know. Pacifica is a brand that I want to get more into. We got a mascara by them in this box before and I actually really liked it. So I definitely want to get more into them. So I'm excited to try this. These 2 little gold faded products, I'm not super excited about. Like just looking at them, I'm thinking, okay, that's cool. But upon like putting them on my hand, I don't love the way they feel, so I might not actually use those. We'll see. This is okay, I guess, like if I go to the gym or anything, which we all know I don't. I really should, but I don't know. I'm probably never gonna use this, but we'll see. It's good to have. If you're somebody who goes camping or like works out a lot, it's good to have, I guess, but I'm not somebody who camps, so. And the last product is the eyeliner. I'm not super excited about like sharpening liners. I just don't care for them. I know a lot of people do though, so I will definitely try it though and see if I like the formula. That's everything in this box this month, you guys. Let me know down below if you guys have tried this box yet, if you like it, if you want me to continue getting it. I think I have a year subscription. This was actually a Christmas present from my mom, was this box. I don't know if she does it month to month or if it was like a year subscription, but I think she bought the year subscription, so I will at least have it for that long. I don't know if I'm going to continue to get it. Honestly, this box has been probably the best showing so far. If you guys haven't seen any of my other ones, spoiler alert, but I don't know. I kind of want to replace it with a different cruelty-free subscription. So you guys let me know down below what your favorites are. And yeah, that's everything I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like this video before you go if you want to see further unboxings. And don't forget to subscribe before you go so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. Bye, guys.